it's me again, Miss African Beauty. Yeah. So let's just get started. So today's video is gonna be stuff that I got from Arden. Yes, girl, do you guys shop at Arden? I love Arden. It has little nice little earrings, accessories, it even has clothes. It has bags, shoes, pillows, like just cute little stuff. Like I just love Arden. So I got some more stuff from Arden, and I'm gonna show you guys that in this video. So let's just get started. So firstly, I got these earrings. And these are super cute. Look at them. I wore these ones out in my vlog. If you guys notice, it comes with 3 earrings. This one has like little crystal balls in it. This one's like a pearl, and this one is like gold, but it has like a little silver jewel inside. It came with 3 earrings in it. The second pair of earrings I got were these hoops. They came with 3 hoops, but I actually wear the smaller ones already, so that's why they're not here. They're in the washroom. So I got these hoop earrings. You know, hoops are, I didn't really like hoops, but these ones are a little bit like, they have this little detail on it, like sparkling detail, and it's kind of like indented. So I thought, why not? Winter's coming, gotta put your hair up sometimes. Why not add some hoops? And I got some other hoops. I thought these ones were so unique. They have like this, do you see these in the sun? Springtime glistening. Wow. It has like these little plasticky things under them, and I just thought these were so cute. You can dress them up, dress them down, and I just came with these extra 2, or just like whatever, blah blah blah. And these 3 earrings were 3 for $15, and they were $6.90 each. So if you buy one, it's $6.90, but if you buy 3, it's 3 for $15. So I bought 3 for $15, and I think that's not bad because all of them came with more than 1 earring, girl. So you know that was a good buy. Also, you know, spring is in. You're not going to be wanting to wear your sneakers, your boots and stuff like, well, you're going to want to wear your sneakers, but I don't really wear sneakers. So I'm not going to want to wear my boots, my winter boots, and my fall boots. I'm going to be wearing sandals and flats. Everyone knows me. They know I'm a sandals and flats girl. So I saw they have these like sandals there, and they were a good price. They were buy one get one half off. So one cost $19.99, and the next one cost $10 because buy one get one half off. And my foot is very huge. I wear size 12 shoe, girl. Yes, 12, but they had size 11. Sometimes 11 could fit me. So when I tried on the shoes, the size 11 actually fit. So I just, you know, your girl was on a budget, but I said, you know, it's really hard for me to find shoes. When I see them, I buy them. I just put them away until it's time to wear them, because by the time I'm looking for them, they ain't gonna have my size. Trust me. Any girl with a bigger foot, you guys know it's very hard for us to buy shoes. So yeah, I'm talking too much. Let me just show you guys the shoes. So look at these sandals. They're so cute. From Arden. They have like this silver detail on them, which is so simple and cute. Like you can wear these on, and has a zipper on the back. You can wear these like a regular day. But I would wear these to go out because you see like the detail makes it look more like classy and more like something you could dress up with, add some silver accessories or something. So this wouldn't be like my everyday sandal, but like more like a going out sandal if you're not trying to wear heels tonight. And because it was buy one get one half off, and they really didn't have much in size 11, I just bought it in white color. They had it in like a mauvey pink color, kind of like this bag. But I didn't want that color because I said white would match more, white and black would match more stuff. So see, I also got it in a white color. This one I know I won't be wearing that much. These will for sure be the going out ones because you know white always gets messed up very fast. So these will be more of a going out one, and this would be more like a chill one. See, they're exact same, just one is white, one is black. So yeah, guys, so that's basically all the stuff that I got from Arden. So that plus the stuff that I had in the surprise bag that I showed you guys before. And trust me, it's hard. Arden has some cute stuff, as you can see. So you guys should check out Arden to get you some cute accessories and some sandals for the summer. And I see some cute handbags there. I'm probably gonna get some, so stay tuned for that. I'm probably gonna go back there and get some like nice little party bags, you know. Yes, girl, slay. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching my video. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And stay tuned for more videos like this. Bye, my loves.
And it owns the big lord.
If I